Hi, this is Michelle.
And Martina.
And we are consultants with Beautycounter. And today we want to talk to you a little bit about our new baby line.
Yay!
Launching in March. So we're really excited about this, to have a line of products that is specifically for babies, your newborn babies, so precious, their skin's so delicate. But before we get started and talk about our line, I just wanted to talk a little bit about washing your baby and caring for your baby. I don't know if everybody knows this, but
I didn't know this. No.
It was news to Martina.
It was.
But you do not need to bathe your baby every day. In fact, you really shouldn't have to bathe them at all until their umbilical cord comes off. Maybe a wet washcloth to soothe them, but nothing else really needs to go on their skin. And you don't have to bathe them often, once a week, even less than that. I mean, unless they really get dirty, but most babies are just sitting on you and sleeping a lot, and they don't have many chance to get dirty. So you don't need to bathe them that much, which is great because this product line should last you a really long time when you buy it.
Yes.
And I'll let Martina kind of describe.
Okay, so we have 3 great products. The first product is a 2-in-1 wash. It ranges it's about $20. It is $20. And the 2-in-1 wash actually, in a study, what people didn't know, outperformed the leading baby wash. People liked it the best. There's only 11 ingredients in it. It is tear-free. The second one is a baby oil that you can use, and it's nice because you can connect to your baby and you can do a little massage, and that one's $22. It's actually the purest product that we make at Beautycounter. And the last one is the one that we have here, and that is the Protective Balm. And this one is $22 too, and you can see the tube is pretty decent size. And it can be used as a diaper rash cream. It can be used on cradle cap. You can use it on yourself. It is nice because it's a little bit different. It's not a cream. You can kind of see it. It's more like an ointment. So I could see this being used like instead of Neosporin or something like that. So we have 3 great products, and you can buy them different ways. You can buy them individually. You can buy them all together in a 3-pack, or if you are going to baby showers like I am, I have about 10 coming up, or friends that are pregnant, you can get them in a beautiful box that is set that you can just go ahead and send them out to your friends.
You don't have to wrap it.
Nope, it's
really
beautiful.
So, yeah, there you go. There's our baby line.
Yay!
Thanks so much. Bye.